Hi, my name is Corey Charles, and welcome to my course, Digital Forensics, Digital Media Analysis. I am the CEO and Senior IT Security Consultant at Dream Vision IT LLC. This is an introductory course to digital media analysis. Basic knowledge of networking and computer file systems is required. Some of the major topics that will be covered are performing a digital investigation, collecting volume analysis, and analyzing the file system. By the end of this course, you will gain the knowledge to describe the basic concepts and theory of a volume and file system and know how to apply it to an investigation. I hope you will join me on this journey on how to analyze digital media with the Digital Forensics and Digital Media Analysis course at Pluralsight.